Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HSBC mobile banking app, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your mobile device. Locate and open your App Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type HSBC mobile banking. Press the search button to see the results. Look for the official HSBC mobile banking app in the search results. Verify that the developer is HSBC Group to ensure authenticity. Tap on the app icon to view more details. On the app page, find the Install or Get button. Press this button to begin the download. Wait a moment while the app downloads and installs on your device. Once installation is complete, locate the app on your home screen. Tap the HSBC mobile banking icon to open it. Read through any introductory information presented on the screen. When prompted, either sign in with your existing credentials or create a new account. If you're creating a new account, follow the on-screen instructions to input your details. Ensure you have your banking information handy, such as your account number and personal identification. Complete any required verification processes. Once signed in, take a moment to explore the app's features. Familiarize yourself with options like account balance, transaction history, and fund transfers. Check the security settings to customize your experience. Consider enabling biometric login if your device supports it. Your HSBC mobile banking app is now ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.